everyone. Coming live to you guys from Jamaica. Let's just see here.
Ooh, so many people.
Hey, Sharika. Hey, Kathy. Yes, come on in, guys. Yep. We are excited because what we want to do is, for those who worked hard over the last couple of weeks, we want to be able to celebrate with you guys all of your hard work and dedication that you put into SSM, just in building yourself, branding yourself, but not only that, being able to make some extra money for the Christmas holiday. Okay, so we're going to do a $5,000 giveaway. Okay, you guys also be on the lookout for the email. You're going to receive, all VIP members is also going to receive an email for the next couple of trainings that we have coming up. You can stop making faces in the thing. Just be regular. Well, what's all the faces about? Hey, Marcy. Hey, Johnny. Hey, Perla. Hey, Jenny. Hey, Don. So I got all the names here, guys. We're going to pick some people. We're going to start out with 25 people at $50 a piece. I know, she's so crazy. Hey, Patricia. Hey, Maria. Hey, Jerry. Everybody, if you could go into Telegram chat, tell everybody to come into the live and celebrate with all of the people who are part of the VIP Access Club. So we're going to start off with 25 people at $50. 25 people at $50. Yep, go ahead. Pick one out. Don't look, just pick it. Just don't look, don't look. This is the fun part. Okay, so we got the first one here. I'm going to go ahead and open it up. Yes, this is exciting. Guys, let me know where you're tuning in from. Yes, thank you, Chantel. Guys, let me know where you're tuning in from. Okay, so the first person that's going to get $50, Adafolak. I hope I'm saying your name right. Adafolak, Joy in Me. Last name, Joy in Me. Adafolak, Joy in Me. You're the first person. Congratulations. Yes, Adafolak. Congratulations. Hey, Amy. Everybody, I hope you're tuning in. Come on, Mina. Pick another one. Pick another one. This is exciting. I know it's exciting. Next person, Andre Moore. Andre Moore for another $50. Andre Moore. Congratulations. Andre Moore. Let's keep going. Thank you. Okay, the next person, Nadine McKenzie. Nadine McKenzie. Congratulations, Nadine.
She's here?
That's 3 so far. Come on. These are all $50 banners, guys. Let's see. Nope, give it to me first. Next person, Alexandria McIsaac. Alexandria McIsaac, congratulations. Congratulations. If you hear your name, celebrate yourself. Celebrate yourself. Yes. Come on. Next person, Lee Caldwell. Lee Caldwell. Lee is the next person. Congratulations.
5 so
Come on.
far, Mommy.
5, and we got to do a total of 25. So we're moving right along.
Ooh,
Everybody, let me know where you're tuning in from, guys.
Yeah, do 25 people, Mommy.
And yes, we do this because we want to celebrate our members. Yes, we want to reward people for their hard work. Not like other affiliate marketing programs. If you don't make a sale, you don't make money. Yes, we're celebrating the hard work and the efforts that people have put in, that they have dedicated to building their brand and building their business. Yes, we reward and we congratulate you. Yes. Next person, Teresa. Teresa Andrews. Congratulations, Teresa. We got a lot more to go, guys. Next person.
We can do that next one.
Next person is Beatrix Koo. Beatrix Koo. Congratulations. Next person.
7
put it
so
in.
far.
7 people so far. Yep. Come on. Pick another name. Okay. The next person is Annie Coleman. Congratulations, Annie. Annie Coleman. Come on. The next person is Sharon Narain. Sharon Narain, congratulations, Sharon. Here, pick another name.
Here you go, mine.
We're going to keep on moving right along.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7,
Here,
8.
pick another one.
It's 8 so far now.
Yep, we're going to keep going. Here, put them in order so I can see them, baby.
Okay, Mary.
Okay, next person. The next person, Gary Gregory. Congratulations, Gary Gregory. Come on, pick another
That
one.
was 9 so far.
Yep, we're going to keep going. No. Pick one, just one. The next person, Jacqueline Price. Jacqueline Price, congratulations. Come on, keep going.
That one is pretty. That one is really worth that one.
Next person, congratulations to Sydney McLeod. Sydney McLeod, congratulations. Put it up there. Come on. Go, Sydney. Congratulations. Yes, congratulations, Gary. Next person, Deborah Taylor.
It's 12 so far, Mommy.
Congratulations, Deborah Taylor.
And now it's
Go,
13.
Deborah. Yes, Deborah Taylor. You got one. Congratulations.
13 so
I see you
far.
watching. Way to go.
13 so far.
Next person. I hope she's on here. Marcy. Marcy Hatton. Marcy Hatton. Congratulations, Marcy. Yes. Congratulations,
14.
Marcy.
14, Mommy.
Yep. Go ahead. Put your hand in. Next person.
15.
Sandra Johnson. Congratulations, Sandra. Sandra Johnson.
15.
We're almost there, guys.
A lot of people.
Go ahead. Put your hand in. All right. The next person is Mary Sisk. Mary Sisk. Congratulations, Mary. Come on. Next person.
Here you go.
All right. Just pick one, baby. One. Okay. Next person. Ronnie Allgood. Ronnie Allgood. Congratulations. Yes, congratulations. I'm gonna call all the names again at the end.
Mine is 17.
Here. We'll count them in. We'll count them in a little bit. Let's just keep picking. We got some more to go. Next person, Cheryl Traxler. Congratulations, Cheryl. Cheryl Traxler. Congratulations. Next person, Jerome Maggette. I hope I'm saying that right. Maggette. Jerome Maggette. Congratulations to Jerome.
I had a friend named Jerome.
Come on, guys. We're almost there. My daughter says she got a friend named Jerome. Next person, Dorico Davis. Dorica. Here you go, Dorica. Congratulations, Dorica. Dorica Davis. Come on, keep plucking.
Okay.
Next person, Daria Jackson. Congratulations, Daria. Daria Jackson. Congratulations. All right, we got 4 more names.
21.
4 more names.
I'll take it.
Next person is Karen Livingston. Congratulations, Karen. Karen Livingston.
22.
We got 3 more.
Now it's
Go ahead,
23.
baby. There's only 3 more.
23.
Next person,
And then 24.
Cheryl Bias Brown. Cheryl Bias Brown. Congratulations.
You have 23, Mommy, right?
Yep, 2 more. Come on.
Sorry.
All right. All right, and the next person is Courtney Bell. Congratulations, Courtney
I
Bell.
lost count, but okay.
And then this is the last one, guys. This is for the $50. These are all for the $50. Don Orr. Congratulations to Don. Congratulations, Don Orr. Okay, so we're moving right along to $100 per person.
Whoa! Ma, you need to give me $100
for helping.
Yeah.
All right, how about $5?
No, $100.
$5.
$100.
All right.
Tell her to give me $100.
All right, now we're doing 10 people at $100. Come on, Mina.
Pluck, pluck, pluck. Let's see.
All right, we got to put these separate so we know. Put these on the side, okay? First person for $100, Carla Moore. Congratulations, Carla Moore. Put those over there on that side. Come on, put your hand in. The next person is
Amina Del Moran.
Kelsey Simon. Kelsey Simon, congratulations. Put that over there on that side. Come on. One thing at a time.
Okay.
All right, next person. Let's see what we have. Francis, the last name, Obiukwu. Francis, last name, Obiukwu. That over there. Here, come on. The next person for $100, Kevin Nosworthy. Congratulations, Kevin. Put that over here. Next person, Kathy Steinmetz. Kathy Steinmetz for $100. Congratulations.
Amina Del Moran.
Yeah, go ahead. Go in. Yep, you got 3. We got 5 more left. Next person is April Turalba. April Turalba. Hope I'm saying that right. I'm sorry if I'm not. April, $100 banner on its way. Next person is Courtney Bell for $100. Courtney Bell, congratulations. So that's how many. All right, we're going to go move on to the next person. Next person is Christine Brickulska. Christine Brickulska. So that's a total of 3, 6, 7, 8. And we got 2 more. 2 more, guys.
Oops.
Next person, Sharika Blith. Congratulations to Sharika Blith. And last but not least,
Amina.
No, put your hand in.
Pick a lucky number. Okay.
Monique Clayton. Congratulations to Monique Clayton.
Yay.
Okay, and then the rest of the pot is going to go to every single participant for the VIP Access Club will receive a banner. We are going to send you out an email, which is going to also include the upcoming exclusive training and the Facebook audit for our VIP Access members. Thank you guys so much. Thanks for all of those that came out and participated and celebrated with our VIP Access members. We salute you, we congratulate you. Way to go, guys. Have a good night. I'll see you guys on a Wednesday webinar, 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. SuccessfulSolutionWebinar.com to join our webinar and see what SSM movement is all about, guys. Thank you guys so much. Love you. Stay blessed. Have a great night.